Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aaradhya and in today's video we are going to learn about farming in India by Aaradhya Raut. Types of crops. There are three types of crops. First, Rabi crops. Second, Kharif crops. And third, shade crops. These all are types of crops. Wheat. Weather requirements. Wheat plants can be grown and planted in a wide range of agroclimatic conditions. The most suitable climate for wheat farming is moist and cool weather. The plants can easily survive in temperature between 3.5 Celsius and also the 35 Celsius. But the best temperature for wheat farming is between 21 Celsius to 26 Celsius. Rice. Rice can be cultivated as high as 3000 meter, means also known as sea level. Basically, rice crops require hot and humid climatic conditions for its successful cultivation. Rice crops is situated at regions where abundant water supply, high humid and prolonged sunshine is available. Now the left over is oats. You can also see that there are Saffola oats or Kellogg's cornflakes or oatmeal cereal for baby. So these all things are made up of oats. Let's learn about oats. Oats is a very important cereal crop as well as fodder crop. It is also a fodder crop. Cultivation of oat is similarly as wheat crop. It is mainly grown in temperature and subtropic climates can also thrive well in high altitude tropics. Barley. The bean grow in three distinct types of soil groups, mainly sandy loam and medium and heavy black soils. Means barley can grow in the black soils, sandy to moderately heavy loam soils of Indo-Gangetic plains having natural to saline reaction and medium fertility, and the most suitable type of barley cultivation. Also, as well as you can see in the picture and observe the picture carefully. Our home cleaning broom is made up from barley leaves because they are very thin, and also it is used in broom. Gram is and gram in agriculture markets. Also, gram is a village level markets in India. There are 22,000 such rural agriculture markets which help farmers in selling their produce locally. The local market grams will be linked with the electronic farmer marketplace in AMS to sell their produce nationally. Sesame. Sesame is one of the oldest crops and an important oil yielding crop with oil content of 40 to 50% and popularly known as til. It is known as til in Marathi or also the gingelly. The sesame seeds powders and its oils is used in various Indian dishes as a flavoring agent. In India, the sesame crops is cultivated as Kharif summer. It is the Kharif crops, so let's go afterwards. Groundnut plants need well-drained sandy loam and clay loam soil for better performance. The soil should be dipped and the pH of the soil should be around 5.5 to 7 with high fertility index. It is observed that heavy soil is unsuitable for cultivation because of difficulty in harvesting and pod loss. It is all about groundnut. Let's go afterwards. Rose. A rose is a woody perennial flowering plant or the genus Rosa and family Roses or the flower it bears. There are over 300 species and 10 of thousands of cultivars. They form a group of plants that can be erect shrubs, climbing or traveling with stems that are often armed with sharp prickles. Now the marigold. Marigold is known as Jandu in Marathi and ideal for making garlands. The demand of marigold flowers during Dashera and Diwali is very high because on Dashera and Diwali people decorate their homes with marigolds and there is needed of too much marigolds and they also look so fresh and very soft and climatic. So that's why soil and climate. The soil is very fertile, friable, having good water holding capacity, well drained and near the natural in pH 7.0 or 7.5 in most desirable. Now the sunflower, my most favorite flower, agronomy of sunflower production. Sunflower is sown by dribbling method which requires 5 to 6 seeds per hectare. Soil furrow sowing seeds 8 to 10 kg per hectare. The excess seedlings are thinned 10 to 15 days after seedling emergence. Seeds should be treated with Captain or kerosene. At the rate 3 grams kg seeds under dryland conditions. Now guys, you can refer that in our cooking food we are using a sunflower oil, Gemini sunflower oil. Can you guess what? It is also used for cooking. So sunflower is also mostly very important agriculture because we get oil from them. And you can see a pole sunflower is very bigger. That's why it is having 3 to 4 kgs of seeds per hectare, means per one flower. Now let's take the sugarcane. Sugarcane is cultivated in tropics and subtropics. Its areas of plentiful supply of water and continuous periods of more than 6 to 7 months each year. Either from natural rainfall and through irrigation, the crop does tolerate severe frost. You can also eat sugarcane by using the teeth, and it is very good massage for our teeth, and it's became strong our teeth. You can use it as chewing gum. So cotton is the most important fiber crop, not only of India but the entire world. Data reveals the cotton cultivation in India consumes 44.5% of total pesticides used in the country. In addition, cotton is very thirsty crop and around 6% of water for irrigation. In India, it's used for cotton cultivation. Soybean, land preparation of soybean should be done by proper plugging. You can see that when a farmer's loosening a soil, he uses a soil plank or wooden otherwise iron plug the farmer uses for loosening the soil, or a soil plank to break the pieces of mud. So it is the types of implements that are used in the farming. You can see it in next PPT made by me. So followed by laddering. Mid-June, the best time of sowing soybeans. Seeds should be sown by using drill methods and row crop spacing 45 to 50 centimeter. Seed rates of 25-30 kg is preferred for sowing in 1 acre land. There is the lots of profit of soybean in 1 acre land, so that you have to think in 15 acre land how many profit is there, or the 60 acres land. Rabi. There are 3 types of crops I have said on the beginning of PPTs. So Rabi crops. Rabi crops are the crops which are sown in month of November to month of April to June. Example: wheat, peas or gram, Jade crops. Jade crops is the crops which are sown in between two crop seasons. Example: sunflower, marigold, veggies and fruits. So guys, you can think that when we are sowing the fruits, when we are sowing the vegetable plants, but it is by seasonal, and you can confuse why farmer doesn't grow crops like wheat in kharif, because kharif is needed too much water and wheat is not needed too much water. That's why there are too much difference in that three types of crops. Crops that are sown in between the month of April to July. Example: rice, maize or bajra. Bajra is one kind of seeds which is used to make bhakri, the Indian traditional food, or Maharashtrian traditional food, we can say to it. Different types of farmings. And there are four different types of farmings: arable, pastoral, mixed horticulture. Different farmers: commercial, subsistent, nomadic, tenant, seasonal migrators. Arable farming, pastoral farming, mixed farming, and horticulture.